Bro, this California right here, man. Come on, man. It's March. It's in the 70s in Chicago in March. And you telling me it's snowing in Cali, bro? Come on, man. It's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on. Y'all gotta be ready for it. The food, everything changing. Ain't nothing like it used to be. Look, check out 18 wheeler stuck. And they got ice stuff on they truck. And they stuck. Come on, man. They say ain't nothing changing. A lot of y'all believe that this is technology and they causing these storms. Could be. We don't know that. Even if it's natural, we don't know that. We don't know. But what we do know is some mighty weird stuff going on. So y'all better hey, if y'all from Cali right now, how y'all have flooding, fires, and blizzards, earthquakes, all that. Come on, man. And y'all cool with that? That's why y'all trying to move to Texas. It's already, look. Cars getting pulled and towed, they stuck. Nah, that's unusual, bro. That's unusual, bro. Than pulled, bro. SUVs, man. That's a heavy duty truck. These are duty cars getting towed. This right in Cali. Say, man, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. I'm out. Cause y'all go holler at my boy too. Simone to go. Cut the camera. And Shibuya, baby. Y'all go check out Shibuya Baby Live. Go check out that boy CEO Hockley. Everybody from Gals, Tanya Nolan. We doing it down here on the island. For real. We finna come up.